Hello everyone, my name is Sebastian Narvaez. This topic is about to analyze on the use of the four tests for phrases: ellipsis, substitution, transposition, and coordination. First, we need the test for phrases. The arrangement of words into phrases and phrases into clauses may seem self-evident, but it's not always clear how the words in a given phrase are arranged or how the phrases are arranged in a given clause. Fortunately, tests have been developed to help. These tests are transposition, substitution, ellipsis, and coordination. I will give you a brief explanation of this test. Transposition. When we talk about transposition, many sentences of words can be moved together into different slots in a clause. That means that the components can be moved from another position in the clause without changing the meaning. Examples: Maria phoned Luis on Monday. On Monday, Maria phoned Luis. As we can see, on Monday is in a different part of the sentence now. This movie is interesting. This interesting movie is about heroes. Number 3, we play soccer with this ball. With this ball, we play soccer. Number 4, they read that book at the library. At the library, they read that book. Number 5, I did my homework. My homework was done. As we can see, we can change the place in the sentence without changing the meaning. Now, substitution. It means that a single word can be substituted for a number of words hanging together as a phrase, without changing the meaning of the sentence. We can use pronouns, adjectives, and prepositions as well to do this. As we can see, we have 5 examples. Number 1, Maria ran in the park yesterday. She ran in the park yesterday. We use a pronoun over there. This shirt is really beautiful, and so is that one. As we can see, it's understood that when we use so, it means really beautiful as well. Number 3, my friends are playing in the stadium. My friends are playing there. Number 4, a considerable number of dogs are on the street. Many dogs are on the street. Number 5, majority of people do not like rain. Most people do not like rain. As you can see, we substitute some words for short ones and still means the same. Ellipsis. The term ellipsis comes from the Greek word omission. The ellipsis is the economies of the language, omitting unnecessary words, enabling us to avoid the unnecessary repetition of words as well. For example, the clauses are conjoined by and. This gives a single sentence consisting of 2 clauses. Number 1, the player kicked the ball. The player scored a nice goal. The elliptical sentence, the player kicked the ball and the player scored a nice goal. Number 2, the player kicked the ball and the player scored a nice goal. The player kicked the ball and scored a nice goal. That's the elliptical sentence. We omit the word the player. Number 3, I believe that this team can win the game and will win the next game. I believe that this team can and will win the next game. You can see the elliptical sentence. We omit the game. Number 4, it seems like a bad idea to me. Seems like a bad idea. That's the elliptical sentence. Number 5, we can go to the movies now, but we cannot go to the movies later. We can go to the movies now, but we cannot later. As you can see, we omit the word or the phrase to the movies. And the last one, coordination. Words of the same time can be coordinated, that is, joined by special words such as and, but, so, and or as well. Phrases of the same type can be coordinated in clauses of the same type. For example, number 1, I was sad, so I went to a party. Number 2, they tried to win the game, but it was too late. Number 3, my sister plays the piano and the guitar. Number 4, she was not feeling good, so she went to the hospital. And the last one, I will eat hamburgers or I will eat hot dogs. In conclusion, I believe that the use of these tests for phrases are very helpful because it can help us to have a better vocabulary, to know how to express ourselves not only in one way. As we know, in Spanish we can express ourselves in different ways, saying the same things. I believe that in English we can do the same, so we just have to know the language, the rules, so we can use different words, pronouns, adjectives, to simplify or to make our speaking better. Thank you.